Do you need to electrify your forklift fleet, both inside and outside? Introducing the economical lithium-ion powered Hyster XTLG. The Hyster XTLG provides ICE-like performance with emission-free clean power. But you may be wondering if an electric truck is tough enough for the outdoor part of your industrial operation. Well, the Hyster XTLG could be a great option. Let me show you why. First, it does what you need it to do. Lifting, loading, transporting materials from A to B. It does exactly what you'd expect from a dependable Hyster machine. What you'll notice is that this is a truck that has been designed for operators to maintain productivity throughout their shift. And that's the case whether you are in your warehouse, outside on uneven surfaces, or when driving in the rain. That means this one truck can support various parts of your operation. And don't forget that when it comes to productivity, lithium-ion can help you maximize uptime through opportunity charging your batteries, during break times, for example. Lithium-ion may also be more efficient to charge than lead acid, helping to keep your costs down even more. And different battery options help you match your power requirements with your operational intensity. The Hyster XTLG also has a larger standard battery capacity than many competitors, which keeps these trucks working for longer. And with zero tailpipe emissions, this truck supports your sustainability goals cost effectively. With Hyster, you know that clean power means business. Discover tough trucks that keep productivity high and costs low. Talk to your local Hyster dealer today about the Hyster XTLG series.